Bitcoin is right now breaking down after creating this ascending broadening wedge and creating these bearish divergences like we've been talking about yesterday, that we were gonna be seeing this breakdown towards the downside. But yesterday already I have been saying do not fall for this Bitcoin trap, because yes, I do think that this is going to be a massive Bitcoin trap and that eventually we are still going to be headed even higher, and probably this is going to be a very good moment to buy. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, definitely in that short term, Bitcoin is right now breaking towards the downside like we have been talking about yesterday. Because yesterday I was saying that short term for Bitcoin is not looking very good. A short term cool off and some kind of consolidation is going to be very likely, but eventually, yeah, we are just going to be headed even higher, and we can be having a look into what's this ascending broadening wedge, but we can also start to have a look into what's probably this support level over here. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is just perfectly fine right over here at this level of support. Now, if we are going to be falling down below, definitely we need to have a look into what's lower targets getting reached. For example, this level over here. I think that this level is going to be very important. Acted as previous resistance right over here, acted as support right over here in this significant crash towards the downside. So yeah, that 65.7k level, I think is going to be acting as huge support, so definitely have a look into what's this level. Anyways, after that level, we do have some more support sitting at the 64.9k level, but anyways, I do not think that we are going to be headed even lower than that level. I think that this could be the ultimate low, but eventually, yeah, we are just going to be headed even higher, because in that longer term, Bitcoin is still just looking very, very good. Yes, in that short term, this bearish divergence where I've been warning you about yesterday is just playing out, but in that longer term, well, we are sitting on a massive level of support right now, because we have just overcame this previous level of resistance. Right now it is going to be flipping into its support. A bounce is going to be inevitable anytime soon, and whenever we are going to be seeing this bounce, well, yeah, all new optimize are just going to be inevitable. Also, if we are just going to be zooming out on these larger time frame charts, well, it is just looking very good for Bitcoin. And yes, like I've been talking about, this short-term relief, a short-term cool-off, a short-term consolidation is just going to be very healthy for Bitcoin. Now, eventually, I do think we are going to be reaching our targets, sitting at about, for me, that 71.6k level, but also the 72k level, and after that, even new optimized towards the 84k level, and also the 90k level, and after that, the 100k level. But right now, for the short term, just seeing consolidation is just very healthy. In that larger time frame, and do keep in mind that we are just going to be headed higher. Inevitably, we are right now trading inside of this uptrend, breaking above our EMA ribbons again. The Bitcoin funding rates are still trading quite low. And if we are going to be having a look on all our exchanges, definitely the average funding rate is sitting pretty low, so that is definitely very bullish for Bitcoin. So yeah, I am just seeing this dip as an opportunity right now for Bitcoin. Do not get fooled right now. And yes, I can also be seeing on Twitter that some Mt. Gox FUD is right now going on. But yeah, haven't we learned from this FUD going on? Each and every single time whenever this FUD has been happening, well, it has been marking a short-term bottom, and Bitcoin has only been going higher ever since. So I don't know. It is just looking very good in my opinion. I do not think that right now is going to be the time to be getting fooled. I am going to be buying this dip again. Looking very healthy for Bitcoin at this moment. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming this $500 trade over on Bybit. So make sure to check out that link down below. sign up a new account, deposit at least $100, and there you go. You can be claiming your free trade over on Bybit. Now, anyways, in the short term, everyone is panicking once again, but do keep in mind that in that larger time frame, well, Bitcoin is just testing a major level of resistance right now. So if we are going to be breaking above this level over here, well, do keep in mind we still do have that 100k target. So in that larger time frame, it is just looking very good. Of course, a slight rejection from of this level is just to be expected, in my opinion. We are not going to be breaking above this significant of a level in our first try. Definitely still looking very good in that larger time frame. Also, of course, still creating this megaphone pattern, still looking very good. But what is going to be very interesting is that today, the Ethereum spot ETF will be launching, will be live and trading. So yeah, like you can be seeing in my comments, I can't wait to see these inflows of the Ethereum spot ETF. This is going to be very interesting. Now, it is to be expected that Grayscale, or at least from this Grayscale ETF, a lot of outflows are going to be expected due to the high fees from Grayscale, which are probably all of these outflows will be inflows in these other ETFs. So do keep that in mind. Maybe in the short term, we can be seeing a little bit of FUD happening after our ETF launch because of these outflows from the Grayscale ETF. But if we are going to be seeing any kind of a dump towards the downside, I just think it is going to be a massive opportunity. And definitely, if we are going to be seeing this dip, I'm definitely going to be the one buying this dip with a new trade. So yeah, if we are going to be seeing this dip for Ethereum, I am going to be buying it. I can already say that. So definitely stay on high alert for that. If I am going to be doing that, I am going to be sharing it everywhere on my socials, on my Twitter, on my YouTube. So definitely do be sure to be following me and also be subscribed on my YouTube channel. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.